Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn chapter 7 of class 4, adjectives. So, students, today we will be reading type of adjectives, degrees of comparison, synonyms and antonyms, cardinal and ordinal numbers. So, what is an adjective? A word that modifies or offers more description about a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective. Okay. So we know that adjectives are describing words. They are words that give more information about a noun or pronoun in a sentence. Okay. So types of adjectives. So adjectives of quality describes the quality of a person or thing. Adjective of quality, what it describes? What quality of person or thing it is. Okay. Like example, a black car. So what is the description of the car? A black car means black color. Okay. A tall man. What is the description of the man? Tall. So tall, here tall is the description. This man is described by tall because tall man, and this car is described by black because black car. Okay. So these are adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quantity tells how much of something. A quantitative adjective answers the question how much. Okay. So what is the quantity? That we will know from adjective of quantity. Like example is given, some milk was dropped by the small boy. How much? Some. So means you can ask in adjective of quantity, you will ask this question, how much? How much milk? According to the question, how much milk? So some. So here some is the quantity. Okay. Next example, there was no rice left after the children ate. So how much rice? No rice means कुछ rice नहीं बचा. Okay. You can ask this question according to the question. You know, you can ask means quantity means how much you will add there, and what is the means like milk is given, rice is given, like that we will add. But how much in quantity we will add? How much means question will ask. So here it is given, how much rice? No, none. How much milk? Some. Okay, understood. Now possessive adjective. Possessive adjective points out that the noun belongs to someone. Possessive means that noun belongs to that person. That is points to position. Like observe the similarity with possessive pronouns. So possessive, it shows belonging to, means to whom this thing is belong. Okay. Here there are 7 possessive adjective: my, your, or, their, his, her, and is. Example is given, your car is outside. So whose car? Your. So here you are the owner here. Okay. It shows owner, not belonging. This car is belonging to that person. Okay. So whose car? This is my pen. So this pen is belongs to this person. So this is my pen. So whose pen? My. In question, according to the question, it is given my pen. So my or mine. Okay, this is possessive adjective. Now demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective points out towards the nouns. Means it points to a noun. Like there are only 4 demonstrative adjectives. So this, that is singular, and these, those, that is plural. So here example you see, that boy is so cute. Which boy? That boy. So that boy means that single boy is there. That boy, we are talking to that boy. So that is singular. Here that we use in singular. These shoes are worth buying. So which shoes? This shoes means बहुत सारा. Okay. Adjectives of number. That shows the number count of the noun. It tells us how many. Okay. How many? We'll count according to the number. It answers the question how many. Sometimes it can be abstract, like cardinal number adjective. Sometimes indicative of rank, ordinal number adjective, and sometimes not very exact either. Some friends. So example is given, There were 10 people in the stadium. How many people? 10 people. So this is adjective of number. 10 people na. So only 10. This is adjective of number. Alisha has one red dress. So what? How many dresses? One. So here 1 is the adjective of number. I have some friends here. So how many friends? Some. Okay. Degrees of comparison. So sometimes two or more person or things are compared with regard to a particular quality. Okay, like here it is given Anusha is a tall girl. Okay, Anusha is a tall girl. Then Ankita is taller than Anusha. Ankita is taller than Anusha, means Anusha is tall, but Ankita is more taller than Anusha. And Megha is the tallest girl in the class. So Megha is the tallest, means Anusha is one tall, then taller, then tallest. उससे भी बड़ी, वो बड़ी है, उससे भी बड़ी वो है, फिर उससे भी बड़ी वो है. Okay. In the above 3 cases, we are using different forms of the same adjective tall. Means same adjective we are using tall, taller and tallest. In different forms of an adjective, we use 4 comparison are called degrees of comparison. There are mainly 3 degrees of comparison. Positive degree of comparison indicates some quality of one person or thing. We speak about only one person or thing, there we use positive degree. Okay. For example, Anusha is a tall girl. Okay. Now positive degree of comparison. Now comparative degree of comparison indicates a comparison being made between two person or thing with regard to a particular quality. Okay. When we compare two person or two things with each other, we use their comparative degree. Example, Ankita is taller than Anusha. Okay. Superlative degree of comparison indicates a comparison being made between one person or thing and two or more than two person or thing with regard to a particular quality. Here we use this degree to show that a noun is the best or that is beyond comparison. Megha is the tallest girl in the class. Okay. Now formation of degrees. The comparative degree is usually created by adding er to the positive form and adding est to the superlative degree to the positive form. Like it is given positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay. Tall, taller, tallest. Here er is given, tall is there, and there we are adding er, taller. Then again tall is there, we are adding est. So that is superlative degree. Tall, taller, tallest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Okay. Y is there, that you know we are changing y to I. So heavier, heaviest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Young, younger, youngest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Happy, happier, happiest. Okay. And some adjectives change their forms positive to comparative or superlative without adding er or est. Like they do so either by adding more or most or by changing their form completely. Like it is given a positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. This adjective we are calling irregular adjectives. We use the word more with adjectives that compare two things, and we use the word most with adjectives that compare 3 or more things. Okay. So this irregular adjectives, we'll see the table. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Bad, worse, worst. Okay, this form is changed completely here. Bad, worse, worst. good, better, best, little, less, least, many, much, more, most, far, farther, further, farthest, furthest, in, inner, innermost, out, outer, outermost. Okay. So now we'll be reading synonyms and antonyms. So what are synonyms? Two words having the same or similar meaning are called synonyms. Okay. And antonyms, similar to words conveying thoughts that are totally opposite to each other are called antonyms. Now cardinal and ordinal numbers. Cardinal numbers tell how many. They are also known as counting numbers because they show quantity in numbers. They are showing quantity in number only. Okay, like here it is given 10 cows shows total the number of cows. This is showing the number of cows. How many cows are there? It is showing total number. Now 5 apples shows the total number of apples. Now ordinal numbers tells the order of thing in a set. Like set, here it is given like first, second, third, etc. Okay, first, not one, first. So this is ordinal number, order of the set. Ordinal numbers do not show quantity. They only show rank or position. Fifth in a queue of 20 shows the rank among 20. In 20, this is fifth rank. Second in class shows the rank among all students. Okay, understood? Thank you.